On the Justice Court, the plaintiff is asking the court to compel her baby daddy to be responsible for the upkeep of their child.
All right. Court in session. Honorable Judge Fumi Asaolu presiding. Please be seated. Your Honor, this case is between Oduola Grace and Ilesomi Ali.
Thank you, Akin.
Oduola Grace.
Oduola.
Yes, ma'am.
Oduola Grace. Ilesomi Ali.
Yes, no.
Your claim for bringing him to court is about abandoned pregnancy
Yes.
that led to a baby boy, the birth
Yes,
of a
sir.
baby boy.
Yes, sir.
You said you put to bed last year, December,
Yes, Your Honor.
and you've been personally taking care of the baby
Yes, Your Honor.
because he has abandoned you and the baby.
Yes, sir.
That is your claim.
Yes, sir.
And in your own response, your claim is that she claimed to have been impregnated by you and that you abandoned her. But for you, you only made love with her last week of April 2022. Is that what you wrote?
No, not really.
So let me have what you...
Though I can only do almost, but I don't really know exactly. I know that the last week of April or first week of May. So I can't really say. Maybe she can. I can't really say. I don't really specific of one date in my statement.
Well, you claim she called you the following month that she was pregnant.
Yeah.
Show it to him. Is this your handwriting?
Yeah. She called me.
I want to be sure. Let me
Called
know
me, she
whether
called
this
me.
is your handwriting.
She called me.
Is this your handwriting?
She called me. Yeah, it
Is
is.
your handwriting?
Yeah.
Take it closer to him. I just want to be sure. It is.
It is, madam.
Okay, let me have it. Well, the bottom line is, according to you, after about a month, she told you that she was pregnant and that you both had agreements that she will not bear any child for you.
Yeah.
You had agreement that there is no baby involved.
Yeah. Yes.
Because you already told her you have a wife and 5 children.
Yeah.
Before you started this relationship, and she agreed with that. I don't want pregnancy or baby. And she already said she has many children as well.
Yeah.
So that you just be sleeping with yourself for fun.
Yes.
That's... Be listening to this.
Yes.
In case you have to want to counter anything there. I'm reading out his claim.
Yes.
So that if there's anything there that you have anything to say over it,
Yes, Your Honor.
you will respond.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm just narrating the claim.
Yes, sure.
That she used to take drug after you've made love for her to not to be pregnant. And she even told you that the best drug to take is Ampiclox
Yes, sir.
after making love to avoid pregnancy. So, who approached each other out of the two of you?
She's the one.
Because I saw this. That's why I asked. You said, so I accepted her proposal to have a date with her. Later, in the first week of December, she called me that she gave birth, which I don't know anything about. That's all I need to say for now. Thanks very much. That's what you have to say. Is this the correct position or there's anything?
Yes, Your Honor.
It's the correct position. So now, who told you that armpit clocks? That once you take it, it will prevent pregnancy. Where did you get that information from?
Mr. Ali told me that.
He told you
yes,
that you should just
and-
take armpit clocks. Now, with regards to family planning, even all these local governments, all these where we have all these small hospitals that the government have provided, the centers that all over the local governments in Lagos State. If you go to any one of them and tell them you want them to advise you on family planning, you'll be taken through the right procedure. If you go to family planning centers created by the Lagos State government, do you understand? All you need to do is Google. Just check it on your phone. Google. You get all the address. You can approach them to put you proper family planning. And if you are so sure that with the 5 children you already have, you don't plan to ever have any children again or a child again, the vasectomy option is there. You know what vasectomy is? Do you?
No.
Have you heard of people going through a medical procedure whereby whatever can make a man to impregnate a woman is taken away?
Yeah.
It won't stop you from making love. It's just that you will not be able to impregnate. You could do that as well. You have to stand properly. Do you have something to say?
Yes.
No, they're raising your hand. What is that?
Please, number one. My honor, sorry I don't stand like this, doctor. I don't stand too much.
You have an ailment.
It's just.
What kind of ailment do you have?
Yeah.
What kind of ailment? What kind of an ailment do you have?
It's my the back.
How long ago did that start?
Maybe 4 or 5 years ago.
But it didn't stop you after 5 children to be family. Aki, please arrange for a chair for him. Let me have a chair for him. 5 children in the house, you can do that. But now suddenly you're back.
The consequence is not because of the.
What do you say?
The cause of the pain is not the cause of even the doctor.
During that process, when that process is on, the pain is not there.
The doctor said that.
It's also there, but it didn't stop you, but it can stop you.
Said that,
and it doesn't stop you from standing. They will bring the chair for you, don't worry. We'll go straight to the matter. The chair is coming. Apart from the chair, do you have something else to say pertaining to the case? All right.
The plaintiff, Odwola Grace, alleges that the defendant abandons her after he got to know that she got pregnant for him. Grace claims that she has been looking after the baby all alone after the birth. The defendant, Ilesomi Ali, claims that the agreement between him and Grace is that their relationship is purely for pleasure and will not include childbearing. However, he wants a confirmation that he is the biological father of the child. Judge Fumi wades into this matter.
Your Honor, and what I want to say again is when you are talking about the Honorable Court are talking about I was saying I have a wife, which is
I didn't say.
She know
I
all
read
this.
out what you wrote.
She know all this, and my last born. She know the age of my last born. I've been sleeping with my wife also.
Look, listen. Listen to me. There's nothing that still stop you from taking what precaution did you take when you were making love that period? Condom is there. The cheapest and most common. And I said, if you are so sure that you don't intend to have any other child apart from the 5 children, she did not rape you. The 2 of you. It's mutual consent. So, if you now have a child, as adults, you have a child before, right? Adu. What's your name? Oduola Grace.
Yes. Yeah.
Is this your first child?
No.
Okay. And the two of you, I am telling you, you know the implication of that. And even the postinor is not 100%. You know. Even if you use condom, it's not 100% preventive. Now, we're talking about, are you sure that child belongs to him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because henceforth, we conduct the DNA test. If it turns out that that child does not belong to him, you may have to refund the money.
Yes, Your Honor.
You will refund the money to Justice Court.
Yes, Your Honor.
It's the circumstances of your case that is making me to tell you that you're likely to refund the money if it turns out that he's not the owner. Because if you are sure the baby does not belong to him, you need to come out straight now so that we don't waste our time, effort, and waste money. Do you understand me?
Yes, Your Honor.
Have you conducted the DNA test already?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have?
Yes.
I think it's about time that we have the result for the DNA test.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have the result of the DNA test from Linz DNA Laboratories, DNA Diagnostic Center, DDC test results, certificate of analysis. This is to certify that the result of DNA test conducted for Ilesanmi Ali Adeyino
Yes, Your Honor.
and the child, Good News Okike Ayo Akinwale, has been perfectly analyzed as concisely summarized below. Male child, Good News Okike Ayo Akinwale. Alleged father, Ilesanmi Ali Adeyino. Have you seen the child at all? How old is the child now?
A year and 4 months. A year and 4 months.
A year and 4
I
months.
put to bed December.
December 2022.
Yes or no?
Okay. DNA analysis. The above result summarily shows that Ilesanmi Ali Adeyino is the biological father of the tested male child. Good News Okikeola Akinwale, as plainly expressed on the DCC test result sheet over leave, DNA analysis is positive. Probability of your paternity is 99.999997%. There is no doubt. From the onset, I never doubted that child is yours because of the manner. The only thing you are not happy about is because the two of you have agreed that a child should not come out of the relationship you were having. To me, there was no need for this DNA result. There was no need, absolutely no need for it. You knew.
No, I wasn't.
Ampiclox is an antibiotic.
I wasn't. No.
You wrote it there. I deny what?
No,
Wait,
Your Honor, you said I know that.
let me underline it for
mine.
clarity.
I wasn't. No.
She even told me her best drug to take is Ampiclox.
I was not arguing that.
I not argue that.
Hey.
She told you that.
You told you,
Okay.
Your Honor, you told me that I know that.
Which
pregnancy is
precaution did you take? Mention the precaution you took. You didn't want a child. You have serious back challenges. Which precaution did you take? I deny paternity. Congratulations anyway. All the best. What do you have to say?
Your Honor.
I'm going back to the second part.
Okay, ma'am.
Well, what do you have to say?
This is not the first time I'm getting pregnant for Mr. Ali.
You are with a man that told you from the onset, I don't want a child. He's telling you the house is filled up with 5 children. And you know that, are you ready to take care of that child single-handedly?
No.
When you were making love, did you see him with taking any precaution?
No.
Did you complain at that stage?
I never did.
So, you got pregnant the first time? You did not know that you have to tell him to take a precaution, and you two should do something that will ensure that that mistake does not happen again. And I wouldn't call it a mistake. You both knew you were going to have that child. If you take that, which is what you have now. So, having a child is a blessing from God. But the only thing is, plan for it. So that the child will live a very comfortable, filled with love and everything. So, what do you have to say? The newest dad in town right now. At least you just know that you are a new dad. You just confirmed. Do you have anything to say?
No, Your Honor, I'm fine with it.
You're fine with it. So what do you do about the upkeep?
Your Honor, I don't think I have a problem with her at all.
I said, when do you want to
With this child of a thing, it's what we can, I think I'll sort out with him and her.
I
Just what
didn't
I
get
just
that.
want to confirm
that
if
the
child
baby is yours.
mine.
It's
So
okay.
I think I will sort out with her. That's not the problem. It's not the problem.
Are you okay with that? What is
It's not
proposing?
the problem.
No, Your Honor.
I'm asking how much he wants to be giving you on a monthly basis for the upkeep of that child.
Okay.
He said all he's here for, or the two of you are here for, is just to confirm that that child is his, and he'll start taking responsibility of that child. So without us making a pronouncement on the amount he should be giving you, you know what I'll advise?
Yes, Your
When you were dating, he was taking very good care of you.
He try.
I know. You know why I said that? For you to have the first one and still go back to have this one.
The DNA paternity test confirms the defendant as the biological father of the baby in dispute. Judge Fumi helps both parties to reach amicable settlement. She rules after the break.
I'm happy that you don't have any rift. So, Ilesomi,
Your Honor.
Ali, I'll leave the two of you. And congratulations to the two of you. I pray you don't have any issues that will make you to come back. But
I don't have any issue.
the avenue is always there.
On
On the welfare of the child. Only on the welfare, but it's an additional child. There's no... Are you okay? He has accepted that that's his child. That's why you are here. Relieved?
Yes, Your Honor.
Happy?
Yes.
Congratulations.
All rise.
If your baby daddy is denying paternity of the child to avoid upkeep, or you suspect misattributed paternity situations, submit your case online at www.thejusticecourt.com for a prompt resolution of the matter.